Hi all, this is for recording for the web assignment ICP4. The first part is hover image. Here we have this is a predefined given code, and in the JS file we have made a couple of changes where we try to change the source image and the message which we get from the update on mouse over event. And in this we are trying to change the src and alt file for which comes here, and we try to set it to the document of the html using the background image and inner text values properties. And for undoing we are trying to set the background to an empty string so that nothing will be coming in the final output where we move the mouse out of the box, and the text will be displayed as it is like here. So we'll go ahead and see the output. Here is a page, and when we try to hover on this cupcake image, it will try to change it, and if we move out, this will go back to its normal, and here as well. And as you can see, the perfect baking is changing according to the image thing, and here the batter is ready. It has changed. The text is also changing depending on the image which you select. This is the first one. The second one is the GitHub user finder. For this part, I'll first go ahead and show the output. This is a page where it gives intro about the header, like what the page does and what the application is. You can search the user name. This is my GitHub username, and once I try to hit the request data, if the user is present, here the background of this info changes to green, and you'll get the user image here and his information, like how many, what's his name, id, node id, how many public repositories he has, if he's following anybody, or if someone is following the user. Similarly, if you give a wrong data, like some random name which is not there, or unfortunately this is someone is registered with this id, so we'll try to give some random id. It says no such user if the user is id is not present, and the top part here, like the info part, will change to red, and it will give us some message saying that no one is there. This is one of our TAs, and you can see his image coming towards the right, and yeah, that is how the task is being done. And yeah, coming to the code part, we are trying to make I'm using the input tag, and on click I'm trying to send it to this part where I'll make a call with the status, where I'll try to append the username from the input to this GitHub and make a final URL where it comes like users plus the username, and this will be passed when making a GET request. And if the response is success, then in the response which we get, we are trying to extract username, id, no, the public repositories, public just followers and following, and also we'll try to get the user image URL and append it. and using jQuery we are trying to add these components to the HTML page dynamically as we get from the Ajax request. If the status is 400, as you have seen in one of the cases which you showed, the background color of the font will be changed to red, which indicates that there is no user, and also will display an alert saying that no such user, and you can try the correct user the next time. That's the end of the recording. Thank you.